Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Food Vision Hub. Most people make this one mistake while making Donne Biriyani. If you have been searching for the perfect Donne Biriyani recipe, this is the one. Tender and juicy chicken, spicy masala and the rich aroma. I'll show you step by step how to get it right every time. Come now, let's begin. To 500 grams of chicken, I'm adding half cup of curd, followed by 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Combine well, let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Now to the pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 3 cardamoms, 6 to 7 cloves, half tablespoon of peppercorns. Saute this for 2 minutes in the low flame. Add 3 medium-sized chopped onions, followed by 10 to 12 green chilies. Saute until golden brown color. Now let it cool down before adding to the mixer jar. Now grind it into a fine paste and keep it aside. Now to the same pan, add 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 cup of methi leaves and 1.5 cup of mint or pudina leaves. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes and grind it into a smooth and fine paste by combining some amount of water. Now to the cooker, add 4 tablespoons of oil followed by 2 tablespoons of ghee. Heat it up. Now I've taken 1 inch cinnamon, 10 cloves, 3 cardamoms, 1 star and 1 japatri and some amount of stone flour, half tablespoon of cumin seeds and some amount of kasuri methi and bay leaf. I'm adding everything into the cooker. And cook this in the low flame. Now add half cup of onions and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell disappears. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good stir. Now I'll be adding the marinated chicken pieces. Mix them completely. Now add the onion masala paste. Combine well with the chicken pieces. Now add some salt. Next add the green paste. Mix the chicken pieces nicely along with the paste. Let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes in the medium flame. Now I'm adding 5 cups of water, that is 250 ml each glass or each cup. And we'll cook until the water boils. At this time, adding the rice, that is 2.5 cups, which was previously soaked in water for 20 minutes. Give it a good stir and squeeze half lemon juice to this. Mix it once again and close the lid of the pressure cooker. And we'll pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Let it completely cool down for 20 to 30 minutes before opening. Now our Bangalore's famous Donne Biriyani is ready. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.